नमस्कार वेलकम टू ओपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड। सो आज आम डिस्कस करने जाऊे 2023 यूपीएससी विजन आईएएस टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 रु प्रीवियसली आम ऑलरेडी लास्ट वीडियो रे क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 जाए कवर कर सारी। सो जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाके देखी ने। सो लेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 86। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल इज और आर बेस्ड ऑन द गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल। सो फर्स्ट देजी इट प्रमोट्स द इक्वल जस्टिस एंड प्रमोट फ्री लीगल एड टू द पुअर। दिस इज इनकरेक्ट। इट रेज द लेवल ऑफ द न्यूट्रिशन एंड द standard of living of the people and to improve public health. This is also incorrect because both belong to the socialist principle of the DPSP. Third is to organize the village panchayat and endow them with the necessary powers and authority to enable them to function as the units of the self government. This is correct. So option 3 is the right answer here. So option 3 B is the correct answer here. So next question number 87 को which of the following protection is or are available at the fundamental right under the constitution to a person detained under a prevention detention law. The first is the grounds of detention should be communicated to the detainee even if it is against the public interest. No, जदि public interest vested थिबो ताले सेठी grounds of detention communicate करवा किछि compulsory नुहे. So option 1 incorrect है. The detainee must be released after 24 hours unless the magistrate authorizes the further detention. This is correct in case it's not a criminal case, it's a civil ordinary case. Ordinary, it's concerned under ordinary law. So statement 2 भी incorrect है. The detainee must be offered an opportunity to make representation against the detention order. This is right. So option 3 is the correct answer here. Option A is the right answer here. The next question number 88. Consider the following statement. The revocation of the president's rules in the state requires parliamentary approval. No such approval is required. So statement 1 incorrect है. Then jiba 44th Amendment Act 1978 restrained the power of the Parliament to extend the proclamation of the President's rule. This is correct. So option B is the right answer here. So next question number 89. Consider the following statement regarding the Constituent Assembly. It was fully sovereign body. Yes, this is correct. It could abrogate or alter any law made by the British Parliament in relation to India. This is also right. Princely state never joined this. A statement incorrect because it would extreme state extreme word अच्छी नेवर प्रिंसली स्टेट जॉइन करते दो अर्ली फेज रे जॉइन करनथले बट ग्रेजुअली दे जॉइंड. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 करेक्ट हियर. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. सो नेक्स्ट जीवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 को which of the following statement is not correct with respect to Government of India Act 1919. First is not correct. It पचासी divided the provincial subject into rivers and transport. This is correct. It introduced the bicameral legislature at the center with the upper and lower house. This is also correct. The act authorized states to enact their own budget. This is right because separate budget है state में था. D रे देची it provided for the separate elector for the Muslim Sikhs and Anglo Indians for the first time. No, it a first time नहीं 1909 रे before this separate electorate कथा आसीथिला. So option D is the wrong answer here. So option D is the right answer. So next 91. He was born in Tamil Nadu. He is the most respected acharya in the philosophy of Sri Vaishnavism. He is famous for the chief proponent of the Vaishnava Vaidya sub-school of Vedanta. Wrote influential texts such as Bhasya. Which of the following personalities is being described in the passage given above? Because यार correct answer है Sri Ramanujarya. ଏଇଟା କାହିଁକି ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ରେ ଅଛି ବିକଜ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟଲେଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁ ଅଫ୍ ସିଟିଂ ପୋଜିସନ୍ ରହିଛି ଶ୍ରୀ ରାମାନୁଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟଙ୍କର. ସେ ପଞ୍ଚ ଲୁହାରେ ସେଇଟା ବନିଛି ବା ନିର୍ମାଣ ହେଇଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଲ୍ଡ କପର ସିଲଭର ବ୍ରାସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜିଙ୍କରୁ ହେଇଛି. ଡୁ ରିମେମ୍ବର ଦିସ୍. ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 92 କୁ. Consider the following statement. The citizen of India owe allegiance to the both union and state. No, because इंडिया रे जेहेतु सिंगल सिटीजनशिप प्रिभेल करे तो केवल यूनियन सिटीजन्स मैंने वो करती. सो अमेरिका एंड स्विट्जरलैंड केस इट्स डिफरेंट बिकज देयर आर डुअल सिटीजनशिप. देन देला 2 रे द इंडिया ओनली द सिटीजन बाय बर्थ इज एलिजिबल फॉर द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. नो, द ओनली a citizen by birth as well as a citizen by naturalization can be president of India, but USA case it's different. Only the citizen by birth can be the president of USA. So 80 statement to be incorrect है गला. तो right answer D, neither 1 nor 2. So next ଯିବା question number 93 को with reference to the theory of basic structure consider the following statement. It is the first emerged in the Kaspanand Bharati case. এটা ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଜଣା ଅଛି 1973 ରେ ଆସିଥିଲା. It weakens the balance between the rigidity and flexibility of the Indian constitution. This is incorrect because it consolidated the balance between the between rigidity and flexibility. So option A is the right answer here. So next jiba, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding to article 20 protection in respect of the conviction of the offence. तो ये राइट पचार नो एक्स फैक्टो पोस्ट फैक्टो लॉ शैल बी एनाक्टेड वेदर इन सिविल एंड क्रिमिनल मैटर्स एटा incorrect ହେଇଯିବ ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ because this limitation is imposed only on criminal laws not on the civil laws or the tax laws. So next ଯିବା protection against self incrimination covers protection against giving thumb impression and blood specimen. This is also incorrect. Then in case of corruption charges against the public servant, either the court or department should take action to avoid the double jeopardy. Double jeopardy जो आसते सेठी केवल कोर्ट रो एटा फंक्शन नॉट द फंक्शन ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट. सो ए स्टेटमेंट भी इनकरेक्ट. सो एठी करेक्ट आंसर हो none of the above. So D is the right answer here. So next 95 को constitutionalism is the philosophy of limited government. Which of the following features of Indian constitution reinforce this philosophy? The option ले दीजिए 95 रो fundamental right, yes this is right. DPSP no, option 2 is incorrect. And fundamental duties, this is also incorrect. Constitutionalism कहले कौन बुझे constitutionalism is all about limited government. Fundamental right act as a limitation on the governmental power, whereas DPSP of the state policy cannot act as a constraint or limitation on the government because they are not enforceable and they are fundamental to the governance of the country. Then jiba fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are in the fact of constraint and limitation on the part of citizen, not on the government. So it correct answer is option A is the correct answer here. So next jiba question number 96. If the national emergency is declared on the ground of the armed rebellion, the fundamental right under article 19 are automatically suspended. Then the যেটি আর্ম রেবেলিয়ন যদি আর্ম রেবেলিয়ন কথা আসুଛି ফଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍ସ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 19 ଅଟୋମେଟିକାଲି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେବନି. ଯଦି ଏକ୍ସଟର୍ନାଲ ଆଗ୍ରେସନ୍ କଥା ଆସୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେବ. ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନ ଇଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଗଲା. ଦେନ୍ ଦେଇଛି ଏଇଠି ଆମେ ଏଲିମିନେଟ୍ କରିଦେବା. 1 କୋଉଠି ଅଛି. ଦେନ୍ ଦେଲା 2 ଦେ ଦ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ମୁଭ୍ ଟୁ ଦ କୋର୍ଟ ଫର୍ ଦ ଏନଫୋର୍ସମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍. ୟେସ୍ এটা correct, 2টা correct. The enforcement of the fundamental rights guaranteed by article 21 and 22 cannot be suspended. Armed rebellion case रे एटा भी incorrect ହେଇଯିବ. So option B is the correct answer here. So next ଯିବା question number 97 को with reference to special officer for linguistic minorities consider the following statements. 97 रे देला it was constituted under article 350B of the Indian Constitution. This is right. It can investigate all matters related to the safeguard provided for both the linguistic and religious minorities under the Constitution. এটা जो दिला statement 2 टा it's incorrect. It would be the duty of special officer or to investigate all matters only related to the safeguards provided by the linguistic minorities under this constitution, not the religious minorities. So it ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ statement 2 ଟା incorrect ହେଇଗଲା. right answer ହେଲା option A. तो right next ଯିବା question number 98 को which of the following initiatives of the government is or are said to be giving effect to the directive principle of the state policy. Old age pension scheme for people above 65 years. Yes, it comes under article 41 that talks about securing the right to work, to education and to public assistance in cases of unemployment, old age and sickness and disablement. Next adoption of criminal procedure code 1973. Yes, this is also correct because it aimed to it comes under article 50 which state that separation of judiciary and the executive. So statement 2 be correct. The Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, yes, it comes under Article 48 under the DPSP, which calls for the modernization of the agriculture and animal husbandry. Then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, it comes under Article 41 and under Article 43, which states that the provision of living wages for all workers. So चार्टा जाक ऑप्शन करेक्ट अच्छी, ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर हियर. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 99, टीम इंडिया विंग ऑफ नीति आयोग कंप्राइजेस ऑफ, यार करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम एवरी स्टेट एंड सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर. मोस्टली नीति आयोग तीन विंग अच्छी, गोटे है रिसर्च विंग, देन योर कंसल्टेंसी विंग एंड टीम इंडिया wing. Do remember this. So next 100 को, the Indian constitution guarantees which of the following to the citizens: quality of status, equality of opportunity, equality of outcomes, equality before law. Equality of status नहीं, equality of opportunities and equality before law. So option 2 and 4 एठी करेक्ट है गला. सॉरी, इक्वालिटी ऑफ स्टेटस आसो गोटे सेकेंड. द इंडियन कन्स्टिट्यूशन ग्यारंटीज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू द सिटीजन, इक्वालिटी ऑफ स्टेटस आसो, देन इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, ये तीनटा आसो. सो 1 2 4. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. सो थैंक यू. ये टेस्ट 1 विजन आईएएस कंप्लीट हो. नेक्स्ट टेस्ट गुड़ाक जो बहुत जल्दी डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.